Smothered by smog, such as the Delhi headline every winter. This causes respiratory diseases, irritation in the eyes, and many other diseases. Research indicates that this reduces life expectancy by 2.6 years on an average. The Desh ka Namak steps in to help reduce the ill effects of pollution and provide some respite to the citizens. Tata Salt introduces halo therapy to the citizens of Delhi through the campaign Salt Room Therapy on Wheels.
Salt has a natural ability to cleanse our airways, as well as it acts as an anti-inflammatory, which can be useful in bronchitis patient. It also has some antibacterial properties, so it can prevent various types of infection which are commonly seen due to air pollution.
Through this campaign, the brand reached out to the citizens to showcase the benefits of halo therapy, thus also integrating the importance of saltwater inhalations at home. The activity facilitates breathing in a salt room and encourages the use of saline water as a home remedy. Through a simple saltwater stream at home, you can help treat ill effects of pollution.
I didn't know that salt can help me fight the ill effects of pollution.
This is a very good detox therapy.
This campaign has been a platform for spreading awareness on the benefits of saline therapy and making it accessible for everybody at home, just by using a simple ingredient available in all kitchens. A much needed respite for better respiration.